Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 7.2 question number 2. Here you see question number 2 is you want to show that angle ART is congruent to triangle PEN. If you have to use side criterion, then you need to show that AR that AR that AR that AR is equal to PE. AR is equal to PE RT this side should be equal to En. RT should be equal to En. AT and AT should be equal to this AT side should be equal to Pn. AT side equal to Pn. Then you can show that side criterion. Side. All the three sides are corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding sides are equal. AR corresponds to side Pn. RT side corresponds to side En. AT side corresponds to side Pn. Right? And with this angle, this side is equal to this side equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. By using side criterion, we can then you need to show that AR is equal to P, RT is equal to En, and AT is equal to Pn. Right? Now we'll solve question number B. Question number B is you see here. Question number B is number B, right? If it is given that angle T is equal to angle N, that angle T, this angle is equal to angle N, right? And you use side angle side criterion. Side angle side criterion, you need to have side angle side. That means you have to take the included, this is the included side, you have to take this side, that is 8, that is RT. This side should be equal to En. The RT side is equal to En side. En. RT should be equal to En. And Pn, this side, Pn should be equal to AT. Pn should be equal to AT. Pn should be equal to AT. AT. Then you can use the criterion side angle side. Here you see side angle side. This side corresponds to, that means AT side is equal to Pn side. Angle N is equal to angle T, and side RT is equal to side En. Then you can use the side angle side criterion, side angle side, right? Now we shall solve question number C. Next question is question number C is if it is given that AT is equal to Pn, here it is given that AT is equal to Pn side, right? And you have to use angle side angle. Angle side angle. You have to use angle side angle criterion. Then you need to have angle side angle. That means this angle, that is N. That is, you have to write angle N. It should be equal to angle T, right? That is angle N. Angle N should be equal to angle T, right? And this angle, this included side, this angle A should be equal to angle P. Angle A should be equal to angle P. Angle A should be equal to angle P. Angle P. Then here you can use, that is angle side angle, right? Angle side angle criterion, right? In this way you can find the various, you can solve the various problems, right? Here again we are showing that AT is equal to Pn given, AT is equal to Pn. Therefore angle A should be equal to angle P, and angle A should be equal to angle P, and angle N should be equal to angle T. Then you can use the angle side angle criterion to prove that this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.